Hello dear friends, welcome back to Jewel Fashion, and in today's collection we have brought to you all this beautiful cold shoulder style embroidery sari blouse designs in traditional style, friends. So you can see that it is focused around the shoulder, and you can see that there is a heavy work in the shoulder part of it, friends. So you can also see that the design is so different, where you see that it looks very elegant and beautiful when you wear it, friends. You can also see some small threads of jewelry running over the shoulder, which gives a very elegant design on the shoulder as well. So this is a very latest collection in the blouses, and we have brought you all in this style, friends. So I hope you all like this collection of the blouses. Please do not forget to subscribe to Jewel Fashion if you're visiting for the first time, and hit that bell icon so that you get notified on all of our videos. Friends, take care all of you. We will see you all